Chapter 1 of the evolution and history of Microsoft Office. In this topic, we're going to cover what is Microsoft Office about? Where did it come from? Why such a cool name for something that does so much more? And we are here to help you understand how you can make it better for yourself by using this application software. Well, Microsoft Office did not just come into being. Let's break down those words. Microsoft, a company owned by Bill Gates. The Office suite started in 1988 at Comdex when he introduced it. The entire suite was combined by people from Xerox, and they all came together with brilliant minds put together to form this. But where did this come from? Where did this idea originate? Let's take a step back. Typewriter. We all remember a time when the typewriter was everything that we had. It was a medium of communicating with people without phones. The importance and need of MS Office. What is Microsoft Office? Let's move into a point where what is an office, and let's cover what happens in an office. Office is a group of individuals sitting at different tables, desks. Let's go a few years back. When I say a few years back, we're talking about the 80s and 70s and 50s. But what really happened during that time is there were a cluster of people, big departments. Great minds could not show their ability. They did the best of what they had. The importance and need of MS Office came, as you know, that importance and need doesn't happen just like that. As they say, that invention, the mother of need is invention. That's what happens. So when your basic requirements are moved, that is when you start creating. Welcome to Chapter 3, Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is an intuitive tool used in a daily life. It's not only for people who write, it's not for people who want to jot their thoughts, it's not for people who just want to do stuff and keep notes of things. Microsoft Word is a very, very advanced tool. I'm sure about it that most of us just know the basic stuffs of Microsoft Word. The copy-paste, you read a document, you write a few lines, but Word is able to do a lot more than that. Entire publishing houses use Microsoft Word in their daily life. How? Well, the spaces that come, paragraph writing, the italics, the fonts, the bold. There's so much more you can do with it. Microsoft Word is able to create a document as a presentation for you. It's your first line of thought. The fun part about Microsoft Word is able to communicate with Excel, Microsoft Presentations, and all the other suite members. Hi, welcome to Chapter 4, Microsoft Excel. This is one of those moments where you think, naam to suna ho, right? People have made millions of money just saying they want to teach Microsoft Excel. What is Excel? Excel is a simple calculator with a logical and arithmetic processing unit that's able to control. The CPU that we call a control processing unit, a central processing unit, has exactly an Excel file in it. This is the mapping table. This is the heaven for a lot of people, especially people who love numbers. Excel comes, let me get over basics of Excel. Right? Excel is, you have your file, with the new bars over here. Okay, you don't have margins, but what you have are cells, right? So this is a row, this is a column. We have about 65,536 rows. Welcome to Chapter 5. This is about Microsoft PowerPoint. Power, obviously, and point. Two different words. Let's go a little more in depth of that. Power, because it gives you a way of moving forward. And what are you going to point? You're going to point at yourself. And how powerfully you're going to be talking about it to other people. Presentation. Microsoft PowerPoint was designed for presentation. Where is its use today? The use is in multiple agencies, multiple companies, multiple offices. It's the way to present yourself. Having a meeting is simply about showing slides and talking about it. No. PowerPoint is more than that. PowerPoint is able to even communicate your point in the right manner, keeping it short and simple in every way. Let's open the PowerPoint application. Welcome to Chapter 6, Outlook and Skype. Well, Microsoft Outlook would be the right way of saying it. What is Outlook? And we're going to dwell into its points and where does it come from and how and the need. The most important thing that we're going to teach over here is the need of why something happened, so that when you go out there, you know exactly how to do it. So, emails, still a good time. Let's talk about writing a letter. When was the last time you written a letter? Long time. Why? Nowadays everything happens on the phone. We WhatsApp, we chat, we do all of this. But the skill was to write a letter, to put your seal on it, to put every word that you say and calligraphy into it. But that moment is gone. That point is lost. Going to the post office, stamping a letter, posting it, waiting 15 days for a reply back. Oh my God, that wait. Imagine someone, we have our soldiers out there, we have parents, we have so many people who are so worried about things.